Hey guys, today we'll be doing level L10a and L10b. If you need any further help, just join the Discord link in the description. First question, we have log 272 minus log 236. We know that a log with the same base minus itself, so another one with the same base, we can rewrite as a fraction. So it's log 272 over 36 because of the minus. We can therefore change this into log 2, 72 divided by 36. 36 goes into 72 twice. We get log 2, and if the base is matching the bigger number, we can rewrite this as 1. For this next question, we have this. We want to rewrite these as the lowest versions of themselves. Firstly, we have log 2, base 2, and 3 times 2, because those are the numbers that go into 6, plus log 2, and we want to look for the lowest numbers that should go into 12, which would be 2 times 2 times 3. So we can rewrite this as 2 squared, because that's 2 times 2 times 3. And we keep this last one the same, 2 log base 2, 3. Now after this first step, we can expand to get log 2, 3 plus log 2 times log 2. Well, log base 2, 2 will give us 1 because the base equals the big number. Plus this one here, this 2, we can move it to the front because it's a power to get 2 log base 2, 2. Then we can expand log base 2 times 3 to get plus log 2, 3 minus 2 log 2, 3. Now we have this, we just need to add them or subtract them all. So we start with this one here, log 2, 3 and log 2, 3. Since they're the same, we can get log 2 log 2, 3 plus 1 from here. This 2 log 2, 2. Remember, log base 2, 2 is equal to 1. But because we have the 2 at the front, it's 2 times 1, which should give us plus 2, which is 3, minus 2 log 2, 3. 2 log 2, 3 minus 2 log 2, 3 cancel out, and we're left with 1 plus 2, which I said before was 3. This question here, we want to convert all the logs into the lowest version of themselves. We get log a 2 squared times 3, because 2 squared is 4 times 3 is the 12 here, plus log base a 3 cubed, because that equals 27, over log a 18 can be split into 3 squared times 2. Now we just expand the brackets. So the first part we get log a 2 squared plus log a 3 plus this part here we move the 3 to the front to get 3 log a 3 all over log a 3 squared plus log a 2. Now what we can do, we can simplify the top. We move the 2 to the front to get 2 log a 2, and we add these two because they both have base a and big number 3. We get plus 4 log a 3 all over, we can bring this 2 to the front to get 2 log a 3 plus log a 2. I'm going to move this up here because we can simplify it further. The 2 log a2 and the 4 log a3 at the top, we can actually take 2 common out of them. So 2 brackets log a2 plus 2 log a3 all over 2 log a3 plus log a2. We notice that what's in the brackets above is the same as below. Log a2, log a2, 2 log a3, 2 log a3. So we can cancel the top and bottom, and we're left with this 2 at the front. So our final answer for this question is just 2. Question, we want to start by simplifying everything. So we can take 2 out of this, change it to log 10(5) minus log 10(3), because if it's a fraction you just rewrite it as minus log 10(7) minus log 10(4). We keep the 2 log 10(3) the same, and this one here, 49, is the same as 7 to the power of 2, and because it's got a power we can move it to the front of the equation and get 2 times a half, which will be the same as 1. So we're left with log 10 just 7, because we moved the 2 to the front and it cancelled out with the half. So plus log 10 7. Now our next step, expand everything. 2 log 10 5 minus 2 log 10 3 minus log 10 7 plus log 10 4 plus 2 log 10 3 plus log 10 7. Next step is to add and subtract all the like terms. We can start here and see negative 2 log 10 3 and positive 2 log 10 3, so we can just fully cancel those both out because it's a negative and a plus. The next one we can cancel out is negative log 10 7 and positive log 10 7, because when they're added they equal 0. Now we're left with these two. We're left with 2 log 10 5, and this one here we change it to plus log 10 2 to the power of 2. Now we keep writing it as log 10 5, plus we move to 2 to the front because that's what we do with powers. To get 2 log 10 2, we can take 2 common out of this because there's a 2 at the start of both of them, to get log 10 5 plus log 10 2. Now if you look at our previous pages, we had the rule where if there's an addition and the bases are equal, you can actually just times these two numbers. When we do that, we get 2 brackets log 10, and then 5 times 2 is 10. And you know if the base is the same as the large number, it's equal to 1. So we get 2 times 1, which is equal to 2 for our final answer. For the final question, we want to break down the first part first. We get 4 log 10, break down root 150, we get 5 squared, because that will give us 25, times 3 times 2. Those are the lowest numbers that will give us 150, but you see how it's a root 150? If it's the square root of something, it's the same as writing it as the power of a half. Next section, we break down log 10 54 into log 10 3 cubed, because that will give us 27, times 2, which will give us 54, plus log 10 2 cubed times 3. 2 cubed is 8, times 3 is 24. Next part, this power half, we move it to the front and multiply it with the 4. 4 times a half is 2, so we're left with 2 log 10 5 squared times 3 times 2. This part here, you want to expand this, minus log 10 3 cubed, plus, it would be plus because of this times, but there's a minus here we're multiplying it by. So instead of plus, we get minus log 10 2, plus, we can bring the 3 to the front already to get 3 log 10 2. Oh, that should be small 10. 3 log 10 2 plus log 10 3. Now after this we expand the first part and simplify as much as we can. We can move the 2 to the front here, which will give us 4 log 10 5 plus 2 log 10 times the 3 here will give us 2 log 10 3 plus 2 log 10 2, 2 log 10 times 2 will give us 2 log 10(2). Minus, we can bring the 3 to the front here to get minus 3 log 10(3) minus log 10(2) plus 3 log 10(2) plus log 10(3). I just copied all of these down because we can't do anything with them just yet. Now we have this, we add, subtract all the like terms. So we go through, there's no other log 10(5)s. Let's go for log 10(3)s. There's one here, and there's one here, and there's one here. So positive 2 log 10(3) minus 3 log 10(3) will give us negative log 10(3), plus 1 log 10(3) will give us 0, because negative log 10(3) plus log 10(3) will equal nothing. So we can cancel out all of the log 10(3) terms. We can keep going and look at the 2, all the other ones with base 10 and big number 2. 2 log 10(2) minus log 10(2) will give us 1 log 10(2), or just log 10(2), plus 3, so 1 plus 3 will give us 4 log 10(2). So we're left with 4 log 10(5) plus 4 log 10(2). We can take 4 common, and we're left with log 10(5) plus log 10(2). And using the same rule as before, we know that the base is the same. We can just multiply the big numbers. 5 times 2 is 10. We're left with 4 brackets log 10. 5 times 2 is 10. Final couple steps. If the base is the same as the big number, it's equal to 1. So this is 4 times 1, which will give us 4. If you need any more help, just join the Discord linked in the description, or leave a comment and subscribe. Hope this helped.